Located in Newburyport, Massachusetts, Rochester Electronics offers a range of manufacturing services for the semiconductor industry. We have over 160,000 square feet dedicated to assembly services and provide a wide range of options for hybrid assembly. Rochester Electronics' U.S.-based assembly services ensures continuity of supply in industries where long life cycles are critical. Our die storage areas allow us to store die for extended periods of time. All die are stored in a nitrogen environment. We have the ability to store die for processing or for customer use. Our vacuum bake oven delivers ultra-high vacuum levels down to 10 to the -7 torr, while reaching temperatures up to 300 degrees centigrade, ensuring optimal outgassing and moisture removal. Ideal for high-precision assemblies and sensitive components, it delivers consistent reliability. The system automates package loading, minimizing operator contact and safeguarding assemblies from handling risks. Our dispense system offers hands-free automatic adhesive dispense, which delivers precise, repeatable application for up to 2 distinct industry adhesives within one package. We offer hands-free component attach and adhesive dispense that ensures precise, high-speed placement and adhesive application for advanced electronics assembly. Our component attach system delivers lightning-fast automatic placement of diverse component types, seamlessly picking from waffle packs and tape and reel formats. Designed for high-throughput production, it ensures full package and component traceability for unmatched precision and quality control. Integrated Automated Optical Inspection, or AOI, provides real-time quality control, ensures superior quality assurance with its advanced 3D inspection capabilities. By providing real-time defect identification, it enhances production efficiency and reducing defects in a seamless, fully automated process, while maintaining the highest standards of quality control. Our industry-standard cure and bake ovens offer precise temperature control up to 350 degrees C with ramp and soak recipe capability. Their nitrogen atmosphere operation ensures high-quality, contaminant-free processing for demanding manufacturing applications. Our plasma cleaner ensures optimal surface cleanliness and enhanced bonding quality. This process removes contaminants, improving the reliability and performance of wire bonds in sensitive electronic assemblies. Our high-speed bonders deliver precision wire bonding with plus or minus 2 micron accuracy using gold, copper, or aluminum wire and a highly programmable pattern recognition system. Ideal for both prototyping and full-scale production, they accelerate time to market while ensuring superior connection quality. Our laser trimming tool precisely trims thin film resistors by combining optical alignment for accurate targeting with real-time electrical monitoring to stop trimming at the desired values. The laser step size in passive and active trim modes is as small as 1 micron. This tool can perform all the standard laser trim cut forms, such as plunge, double plunge, serpentine L-cut, and more. Our IPA cleaning equipment features integrated ionic contamination detection and real-time resistivity monitoring for every batch throughout the cleaning cycle. This ensures superior cleanliness, enhancing electrical test performance, product reliability, and overall quality. Our seam seal equipment offers monitored vacuum bake capabilities with automated lid-to-seal ring alignment and placement, ensuring precise assembly. Operating in a low-moisture, nitrogen-purged environment with helium capability, it delivers high-integrity sealing for moisture-sensitive devices. Rochester's automated test equipment delivers high throughput and low unit test costs across a broad range of products, including power management, precision analog, power modules, and mixed signal converters. Integrated yield analysis software monitors product performance in real time, helping to identify trends and reduce failure rates. This comprehensive solution enhances manufacturing efficiency while ensuring the highest standards of quality and reliability. We are proud to hold a broad range of industry certifications, including MIL-PRF-38535. We specialize in reworking component attach defects, wire bond issues, and the delicate process of delidding and relidding of seam-sealed devices. Our precise and reliable rework services ensure that defective components are efficiently restored, minimizing downtime and waste. With advanced techniques and a focus on quality, we maintain the integrity of your assemblies, ensuring they meet the highest performance standards. Rochester's U.S.-based plastic and hermetic assembly services ensure continuity of supply to keep your business moving.